Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to 3D model these chairs and table in Maya. So let's go to Maya, click New. Now we have a blank workplace. Make sure you're on the modeling standard workspace, and also click Reset Current Workspace, just so we all can have the same workspace. Then to create, let's start with a chair. So basically all you need is just one cube to start. This is all you need to make the chair. I saw some other people trying to merge different shapes together, but really all you need is just one cube. So let's scale the cube. So click R to scale. Let's flatten it down, make it bigger, maybe about this size, make it flatter. Okay, that's good enough. Now what we're gonna do is use the multi-cut tool. This allows you to cut edges. So hold Control, and then we can cut here, 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 and here. So hold Control and click 4 times. So now we get this nice edge breakdown. So what we're gonna do now is go to face mode, press Q to go to select, or you can click here. Now let's select these 4 corners. Hold Shift to select multiple faces. Then what we're gonna use is the extrude tool right here, and move them down. Okay, that's good. Then what we're gonna do is just click on one of the scale axes, the cubes, and then we get this middle scaler, and let's scale them down to make the bottoms skinnier. Okay, that looks good. Now let's select these 3 faces, hold Shift and click. Again, let's select the extrude tool and move it up. Okay, that looks good. Maybe let's move it to the back a little bit. Move it up. Okay, we got the basics done. Now we're gonna bevel some edges. So let's go to edge mode. Click and hold the right mouse button and click edge. And let's select these 3 edges. So click and then hold Shift to click these 3 edges. Then let's click the bevel tool. It's right here. Or you can also click here on bevel. So now you can see we have 10 segments and a fraction, which fraction basically means how much bevel you want. So I want a lot of beveling. That's my personal taste. You can do whatever you like. Okay, that looks good. And the segments mean how many cuts are going to be there. So 10 is about enough. Okay, that looks good. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for the top edges. Click on the beveling tool, and let's bring this up. Okay, that looks good. And let's bevel these a little bit. Let's bevel the legs. Maybe just 2 fragments. Maybe like 0.7. Okay, that looks good. Now let's make the table. Click on the cube. W to move it somewhere else. And then let's scale it. Click R. Scale it like this. Let's move it away from the chair. Make sure you're on object mode. Okay, I think that looks good. Let's maybe flatten it a little bit more. Okay. Now it's basically the same process as the chair. Let's go to the multi-cut tool. Hold Control. And let's cut here. 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 And here. Okay, then what we're gonna do is go to face mode, press Q or click on the mouse here, hold shift to select all 4 corners, then let's click on the extrude tool. Okay, and then let's drag it down to about the same length as the chair. Okay, then we want to make it skinnier, so click on any of the cubes here 1 time and then click on the middle. Click and drag to make them all skinnier. Okay, that's good for me. Then maybe click on the middle and then let's extrude it up. Okay, that looks good. Now let's bevel the edges. Let's go to edge mode and select the edges we would like to bevel. So let's click on here. These edges, click bevel. And let's increase the fragment a little bit and change the segment to maybe 2 to give more of a wood feeling. Okay, that looks good. Let's do the same here. Okay, so this is our table. Let's add more chairs. Let's go to object mode, select the chair, click W for the move tool and then hold shift while you move to clone the chair, E to rotate it, and then W to move it again. Hold shift to clone again. Let's move it here. E, you can position them however you like. Let's click on these 3 objects. Hold shift. Let's click here, clone, rotate it. Rotate this one. Okay, and that's it. Now we have our chairs and table.